Hello everyone, I am Hanan Al Musa from Palestinian schools in Qatar. Today inshallah I am going to explain period 3 from unit 6 goal, page 42. Let's start. At the beginning of our lesson we have some new words that we are going to recognize their meanings. Listen and repeat the words. Listen please.
Competition, dangerous, enormous, enter, final, freezing, pitch, World Cup.
Now look at this picture. What have you seen here? Yes, we have seen a team. They are so happy. They have got the first position of the competition. 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 Competition means a game that people try to win. Look at this sentence. Tamara has got the first class in the spelling bee competition. Competition is a noun. Look at this picture. What have you seen here? Yes, we have seen someone is playing with matches. Is it safe to play with matches? No, it's dangerous. 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 Dangerous means something may hurt you. Look at this sentence. It's too dangerous to play with matches. The part of speech of dangerous is adjective. The opposite of dangerous is safe. Look at this picture. What have you seen here? Yes, we have seen a stadium. Is it a small one? No, it's enormous. 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 Enormous means very big. Look at this sentence. This playground is really enormous. It's the biggest I have seen. Enormous is an adjective. And the opposite of enormous is very small. Now look at this team. They enter the stadium. Enter, enter, enter. Enter means go into a place. Look at this sentence. The French team entered the finals last year. Enter is a verb. Now look at this picture. What have you seen? Yes, we have seen the World Cup. World Cup. World Cup. World Cup means a large metal thing that you get for winning in a sport. Look at this sentence. Brazil has won the World Cup more than any other team. Now look at this picture. What have you seen here? Yes, we have seen a team. They are so happy because they have got the World Cup in the finals. Final. Final. Final means the last game in a competition to decide who wins. Look at this sentence. Brazil is the only team that have played in all the finals of the World Cup. Final is a noun. Look at this picture. Yes, I think that you know it. It's a pitch. 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 Pitch means a playground for playing sports. Look at this sentence. We are going to play on the new football pitch today. Pitch is a noun. Look at this pitch now. Yes, it's freezing. 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 Freezing means become hard because it's cold. Look at this sentence. It's so cold today. I'm freezing. Now, before listening to the text, here we have a pre-listening question. You are going to listen carefully and to find the answer for this question. Listen and read. Find out why football is so popular. Now listen carefully and underline the pronoun they.
Football is the world's favorite sport, with more than 250 million players in more than 200 countries. You only need a ball, people, and a place to play. You don't need a pitch. It can be the street, a playground, a park, or a beach. You can play when the weather is good, in the rain, or when it's freezing, but that can be dangerous. Every 4 years, players from all over the world meet for the greatest football competition of all, the World Cup. Most countries enter, but only the 32 best teams go to the final. The only team that have played in all the finals is Brazil. They have also won the competition more times than any other team. Everyone wants to have the World Cup in their country. There is a competition for this also. The winning country needs to have good places for the matches, enormous stadiums with fine pitches. It also needs to have good transport for all the people who travel to watch the matches, and lots of places for them to eat and sleep.
Now let's answer the pre-listening question. Find out why football is so popular. Because it can be played anywhere in any weather, and all you need to play it is people and a ball. Now let's answer these questions about the text. Number 1. What is the world's favorite sport? Football is the world's favorite sport. Number 2. How many players do they play football in the world? More than 250 million players play football in the world. Number 3. What do you need to play football? I only need a ball, people, and a place to play. Number 4. Do we need a pitch to play football? No, we don't. Number 5. Where can we play football instead? We can play football in the street, in a playground, in a park, or a beach. Number 6. Can we play football in a rainy or freezing weather? Yes, we can. We can play football when the weather is good, rainy, or freezing. Number 7. Is it safe to play it in a freezing weather? No, it isn't. It's dangerous. Number 8. What is the greatest football competition in the world? It's the World Cup competition. Number 9. How many teams do they go to the finals of the World Cup? They only go the 32 best teams to the finals of the World Cup. Number 10. Which team have played in all the finals? Brazil team have played in all the finals. Number 11. What does the winning country of the World Cup competition need to have? It needs to have good places for the matches, enormous stadiums with fine pitches, good transport for all the people who travel to watch the matches, and lots of places for them to eat and sleep. Number 12. What does the pronoun they refer to? They refers to Brazil team. Number 13. Find the opposites of these words from the text. The first one, safe, dangerous. very small, enormous, bad, good. Exercise 4. Read and tick the true sentences, then correct the false sentences. In this exercise, you have 3 sentences. You are going to read carefully and to tick the sentences by using true or false, and the false ones that you are going to correct them. I will give you 5 minutes to do this exercise. Okay, now, number 1. You can play football in good weather and in bad weather. True. Number 2. The World Cup is every 5 years. It's false. And the correction is the World Cup is every 4 years. Number 3. There are 32 teams in the final. Yes, it's true. Now exercise number 5. Read and answer the questions. Number 1. How many countries play football? More than 200 countries play football. Number 2. Which team have played in all the finals? Brazil team have played in all the finals. Thank you for listening. I hope you have understood the lesson.